Most people think online security is complicated, but the biggest upgrade to your safety is already on your phone, and you've probably used it without realizing today. I'm breaking down passkeys, what they are, why they matter, and how they quietly fix almost every problem passwords created. A passkey is a modern replacement for passwords. Instead of typing something you remember, your device uses a cryptographic key, a super long, impossible to guess number created automatically. One part stays on your device, the other stays with the website, and they match like puzzle pieces. No typing, no remembering, no guessing, just Face ID, fingerprint, or your device PIN. Here's the part that surprises people: passkeys can't be phished. They don't type anything, there's nothing to steal. And your device checks the real website before logging you in. Even a perfect fake login page won't work because your device refuses to talk to it. This eliminates the most common attack on the internet. Passwords can be guessed, stolen, reused, and they rely on human memory. Passkeys flip the script. They're device locked, unique for every site, can't be leaked in a data breach, and rely on cryptography instead of your brain. And here's the wild part: you're already using passkeys. Google, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, PayPal, TikTok, Instagram, even banks are slowly adopting them. This isn't future tech. It's happening right now. Now let's answer the number one fear. What happens if you lose your device? Good news, you're not locked out. Passkeys sync through a cloud or Google. You can revoke old devices, add backup devices, and your passkeys stay tied to you, not your phone. Another misconception: are passkeys stored in the cloud? The private key stays on your device and never leaves. What syncs is an encrypted version that cloud providers can't read, use, or log in with. It's safer than storing passwords. Biometrics like Face ID and fingerprints don't replace the passkey, they only unlock it. Your face and fingerprint never leave the device. They're just local unlock mechanisms. While the passkey is the real key. Here's why hackers hate passkeys: no passwords to steal, no databases to breach, no phishing, no credential stuffing, no reused passwords. Passkeys shut down entire attack methods and remove the easiest ways hackers get in. Here, as the simple version of how passkeys log you in, the website sends your device a challenge. Your device signs it with your private key. The website checks the signature, and if it matches, you're in. No secrets exchanged, no password sent, nothing to intercept. Now let's cover how to turn on passkeys, platform by platform, using the most recent menus. Google, open your Google account, go to Security, select Passkeys, and tap Create a Passkey. Apple, open Settings, tap your name, go to Password and Security, select Passkeys. New passkeys are created automatically when apps and websites support them. Microsoft, go to your Microsoft account online, open Security, select Advanced Security options. Find Passkeys and choose Set up a Passkey. Amazon, open your Amazon account. Go to Login and Security, select Passkeys and tap Setup. Instagram, open Settings. Go to Account Center, select Password and Security, tap Passkeys and enable passkey login. TikTok, open Settings, go to Account, select Security, tap Passkeys and turn on passkey login. Passkeys aren't just a new login method. They ray a complete shift in how we protect ourselves. Online, they remove the biggest risks, simplify your life, and they're already everywhere if you want to stay secure. Start using passkeys today. Use passkeys, stay secure. Follow me on TikTok at SecureWithDumb. Follow me on YouTube at SecureWithDumb. Follow me on Instagram at SecureWithDumb.